I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing overlay permissions that let apps show pop-up video ads. This stops the ads from appearing above other apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Special Access, then Display over other apps, find apps with permission and revoke it. Once done, make sure to leave system apps like phone and messages enabled. Otherwise, you may break functionality. This step cuts the most common route that adware uses to inject video pop-ups, so you'll reduce interruptions immediately. Next, you identify which app is serving those video ads by checking recent installs and apps using a lot of battery or data. Adware often spikes resource use. Uninstall or disable any app that requests excessive permissions like draw over other apps, notifications, or accessibility without clear need. Once done, run Play Protect or a reputable antivirus to scan for hidden ad modules. If you find multiple offenders, remove them all and reboot so changes take effect. Finally, harden settings to prevent recurrence. Disable notifications for offending apps and reset app preferences to clear unknown defaults. In your browser, block pop-ups, disable video autoplay, and clear cache to remove cached ad scripts. If ads persist, boot into safe mode to isolate removable third-party apps. Uninstall the culprit there. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. But before that, try safe mode and antivirus scans, because they often fix the problem without wiping your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.